Hello, and welcome to English with Iman. This is a place where you learn English and strengthen your faith at the same time. In this lesson, you will practice English listening and writing. You will also reflect on life and increase your Iman. Today's lesson is called When Life Feels Hard. Please listen carefully. You can pause the video anytime. Try to write what you hear. Let us begin. Sometimes life feels very hard. You wake up in the morning and feel tired before the day even starts. Your heart feels heavy. Your mind feels full of worries. You try to smile, but inside you feel sad. You work hard. You try your best, but things do not go the way you planned. Maybe you are struggling with money. Maybe you are worried about your future. Maybe you feel alone. Maybe you feel lost. At night, when everything is quiet, you think deeply. You ask yourself many questions. Why is my life like this? Why is everything so difficult? Why do my prayers feel unanswered? These feelings are real, and you are not weak for feeling this way. Remember something important. Allah sees everything. Allah sees your pain. Allah sees your silent tears. Allah sees the effort that no one notices. Even when people do not understand you, Allah understands you completely. Life in this world is not meant to be easy. This world is a place of tests. Every difficulty is a test. Every problem has a purpose. Allah tests the people He loves. Sometimes Allah makes life hard to bring you closer to Him. When life feels hard, do not think Allah has left you. Hard times do not mean punishment. Often they mean preparation. Just like gold is purified by fire, the heart is purified by hardship. When life feels heavy, remember Allah. Make dua. Even a small dua is powerful. You do not need perfect words. Allah listens to your heart. Be patient, even when patience feels difficult. Patience does not mean you feel no pain. Patience means you trust Allah even while you are hurting. Allah says in the Quran, "After hardship there is ease." This is not just a sentence, it's a promise. Ease may not come immediately, but it will come at the right time. Sometimes ease comes as strength. Sometimes it comes as peace. Sometimes it comes as a new path. When life feels hard, slow down. Take one step at a time. Pray one prayer at a time. Trust Allah one moment at a time. You are stronger than you think, and you are never alone. Allah is closer to you than you realize. Now it's time for listen and write. Please listen carefully. Pause the video. Write each sentence. Life feels hard sometimes. You feel tired and worried. Allah sees your pain. Hard times are a test from Allah. Be patient and keep praying. After hardship, there is ease. Now, listen to the correct version. Life feels hard sometimes. You feel tired and worried. Allah sees your pain. Hard times are a test from Allah. Be patient and keep praying. After hardship, there is ease. Now, check your writing. Correct any mistakes you see. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Now, let us learn some simple words. Hardship means difficult times. Patient means staying calm and strong even when life is hard. Trust means believing Allah knows what is best. Try to use these words when you write in English. Now think about this question. What do you do when life feels hard? Write your answer in simple English. You can write short sentences. You do not need perfect grammar. Just write from your heart. Thank you for listening to today's lesson. You practiced English, you practiced patience, and you reflected on faith. Remember, hard days do not last forever. Allah's mercy is always near. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video. Subscribe to English with Iman for more listening and writing practice. See you in the next lesson. Learn English, strengthen your faith.